1. Solve the equations. 2x by 3 plus y is equal to 16. Equation 1. X plus y by 4 is equal to 14. Equation 2. From equation 1, 2x plus 3y by 3 is equal to 16, or 2x plus 3y is equal to 48. Equation 3. From equation 2, 4x plus y by 4 is equal to 14, or 4x plus y is equal to 56. Equation 4. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 3rd by 2 and equation 4th by 1 for equal coefficient of x. 4x plus 6y is equal to 96 and 4x plus y is equal to 56. By subtracting 5y is equal to 40, or y is equal to 40 by 5 is equal to 8. Now putting the value of y in equation 3rd, we find the value of x. 2x plus 24 is equal to 48, or 2x is equal to 48 minus 24 is equal to 24, or x is equal to 24 by 2 is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 8. Answer.